Hey dessert lovers, I'm about to blow your mind with the most insane no-bake dessert hack you've ever seen. Growing up, my grandma was the queen of desserts, but here's the truth. Her recipes were complicated. Hours of baking, endless dishes, total kitchen chaos. Sound familiar? Well, not today. I'm gonna show you how to create a gourmet dessert that'll make professional pastry chefs jealous. And you'll do it in just 15 minutes. No oven, no stress, pure deliciousness. This is the dessert hack they don't want you to know about. For this crazy good turtle dessert, you'll need graham crackers, cream cheese, heavy cream, caramel sauce, chocolate chips, and pecans. Pro tip, quality matters. Don't cheap out on ingredients. This isn't just a dessert. It's a flavor experience.
In a world of 31 flavors.
But wait, here's a weird trick most people don't know. Crush those crackers, but not too fine. We want texture. Oh, those little chunks. They're gonna be your secret weapon of deliciousness. Press them into the pan. Boom! First layer done in 60 seconds. Now the cream cheese mixture. Most people mess this up. Room temperature cream cheese is your best friend. Mix it smooth. And I mean smooth. No lumps allowed in this kitchen. Watch this caramel swirl. See how it creates these insane marble effects? This isn't just dessert. This is art. Toasted, not just thrown on, strategically placed. Every bite needs that crunch. Melted chocolate, the grand finale, the mic drop of our dessert masterpiece. Oh my goodness! Think you can make this faster? Prove it. Drop a comment below. Tag a friend who needs this dessert hack. First 100 comments get a secret recipe tip. Smash that like button. Destroy that subscribe button. Dessert domination.